Hello, hello, hello. How are you today? Hope you're good. Beautiful. Today, we're doing something a little different, and we are going to sound the words in front of us and add another word that sound alike. So, the first word we have here is as in cat. As in cat. So we are going to look for a word with k and add it. Now let's add it. Cup. Wow. I've written my cup. So now let's sound the next word as in kid. Kid. Let's look for a word that sounds like kid. What can you see? I can see different words and I see my skin. Let's write our skin. Skin. So we've written our skin. Let's check for the next word. Now, the word here is as in lock. Lock. Let's look for another word. And as you can see, let's write in our rock. So we've written our rock. So the word we had was as in cat, as in kid, as in lock. Then we added a new word to as in cat, which is as in cup. Then another word to as in kid, which is skin, as in skin. Can you hear the key sound? Then we added another word as in rock, as in lock, as in rock. Yeah, today's topic was really exciting. Do well to fill in the remaining. I know you're gonna do greatly in the quiz. Make me proud, babies. Bye now. See you in our next class. Love you.